In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Slack QR code in this 2026 beginner guide. A Slack QR code is a simple way to help people join your workspace quickly, especially during onboarding, internal events, or hybrid meetings. Instead of asking someone to type a long invite link on their phone, you can let them scan a code and open the invite instantly. Just keep one important security point in mind. Anyone with access to that QR code may be able to join your workspace, so only share it in trusted internal spaces. To begin, open the Slack desktop app on your computer and go into the workspace you want to use. In the top left corner of the Slack window, click your workspace name to open the management menu. From that menu, choose the option to invite people to the workspace. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where Slack gives you the active invitation link. Click Copy Invite Link so you have that link saved to your clipboard. If you want a little more control before moving on, you can also open the link settings. This optional step lets you adjust things like the expiration date or the number of times the invite can be used. That can be very helpful if you're creating a code for a short-term event or a limited onboarding window. Next, open a new tab in your web browser. Go to a trusted free QR code generator website, such as a well-known QR generation tool. Once the site loads, look for the option to create a QR code from a URL. This is important because your Slack invite is a web link, so URL is the correct data type to choose. After selecting URL, click into the input field and paste your copied Slack invite link. You can right-click and paste, or use your keyboard shortcut. As soon as the link is inserted, the QR generator should automatically create the code for you on the screen. Now it's time to customize and export it. Use the design settings in the QR tool to adjust the color palette so it fits your company branding. You can also add a Slack logo or a small scan to join style frame around the code to make its purpose clear and help people feel confident scanning it. When everything looks good, click Download. For the best print quality, it's usually a good idea to save the file as a high-resolution PNG or SVG. Once downloaded, your